Nothing says Yorkshire quite like a white rose, especially when thousands of them are spelling out the name. This magnificent display was the idea of Yorkshire Cancer Research, with florist Amy Firm arranging 2,000 of the county's favourite flower as part of a new pledge. The number is significant. Each represents a life that the charity wants to save every year. Currently, 583 people in Yorkshire are diagnosed with cancer every week, and people in our region are more likely to develop and die from the disease than almost anywhere in the country. It's shocking figures like these that have prompted Yorkshire Cancer Research to start their mission to help an additional 2,000 people each year to survive.
There's a long history of underinvestment in all things to do with cancer in Yorkshire, unfortunately. The national picture for all medical research funding, not just cancer, is that only about 3% of the funding comes to Yorkshire, whereas we are 8% of the population. So we know there's underfunding, and we want people to be aware of the charity and feel able to support us and join up with us in achieving those aims. But we also want people to be aware of cancer signs and symptoms and go and get that earliest possible diagnosis.
Currently, 177,000 people are living with the disease here in Yorkshire. Whilst the charity already have a significant presence in the community in Leeds with such initiatives as their Active Beyond Cancer programme and lung screening trials, there is more work to be done to ensure the ambitious target is met.
We're committed to funding clinical trials across the whole county to give people the best access we can give to the latest treatments. And also we know that research active hospitals do better by their patients. But on top of that, we have programmes, for example, looking at regional variation in how treatment works in different places across the county and helping everyone come up to gold standard best practice. So through those types of programmes as well, we can bring up the level in Yorkshire.
Sarah Williamson is just one of the many people the charity have helped and has experienced firsthand the support it offers.
I've been involved with the Leeds Rhinos Active Beyond Cancer programme, which at the end of most of my surgery and treatment was important to get fit and active. So to have that programme provided made such a difference in increasing my energy bank.
Volunteers were handing out some of the white roses to urge the city to get behind the mission. The target can be met with the support and awareness of the people of Yorkshire. Therefore, with each precious rose symbolising a life, it's hoped the eye-catching display will have already made a difference.